Pet hair has a way of taking over your home when you're not looking. One day the floors look spotless, and the next, every corner seems covered in fur, dander, and muddy paw prints. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuum and mop combos for pet hair. Stick around until the end to discover the overall winner, and if one catches your attention, you'll find all the links waiting in the description below. Now let's move to number 5. We have the MONSGA Robot Vacuum and Mop, a powerful cleaning solution designed specifically for pet owners who are tired of constantly battling fur, dust, and tangled hair. Instead of simply collecting visible debris, the MONSGA focuses on one of the biggest frustrations in robotic cleaning by utilizing a zero-tangle arched side brush paired with an all-rubber roller that captures pet hair before it can wrap around the cleaning system. Backing up that design is an impressive 8,000 paw suction motor capable of pulling embedded fur, dust, and debris from both carpets and hard floors with remarkable efficiency. Its LiDAR-powered multi-map navigation system learns your home's layout and creates intelligent cleaning routes, allowing it to move confidently through rooms while avoiding the random wandering common among entry-level models. The advanced docking system improves charging reliability, while the self-emptying station provides up to 90 days of hands-free maintenance, dramatically reducing daily upkeep. Although the dual-chamber water tank still requires manual refilling for mopping functions, the combination of strong suction, anti-tangle technology, and automated maintenance makes the MONSGA an excellent starting point for busy pet households. Coming up next at number 4 is the DREAME L10s Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop, a premium cleaning system built to handle the tougher messes that many robotic cleaners struggle to remove. Rather than relying on a basic mopping attachment, it features a dual rotary scrubbing system with edge-extending pads that actively scrub floors, helping eliminate dried paw prints tracked in dirt and stubborn stains instead of simply wiping over them. This enhanced mopping performance is supported by a powerful 7,000 paw suction motor that effectively removes pet hair, dust, dander, and debris from both carpets and hard flooring surfaces. Navigation is equally impressive thanks to intelligent 3D structured light obstacle recognition, allowing the robot to maneuver around furniture, pet bowls, toys, and everyday clutter with minimal interruptions. One of its most valuable features is the self-maintaining base station, which automatically washes the mop pads using hot water up to 136 degrees, significantly reducing manual cleaning responsibilities. While setup may require a compatible 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, the combination of advanced floor scrubbing, intelligent navigation, and automated maintenance makes the DREAME L10s Pro a major upgrade for pet owners seeking premium convenience. Let's keep the momentum going. At number 3, we have the Mova P10 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop, a high-performance cleaning machine built for pet owners who demand exceptional suction power and advanced automation. At the heart of the system is a massive 13,000 paw suction motor, making it one of the most powerful robot vacuums in today's ranking and allowing it to extract deeply embedded pet hair, allergens, and debris from carpets and hard floors with impressive effectiveness. The P10 Pro Ultra combines an RGB camera with dual extending side brushes to improve navigation, edge cleaning, and corner coverage, helping eliminate debris from areas many robots commonly miss. One particularly pet-friendly feature is its automatically lifting mop system, which raises the mop pads by 5 millimeters when transitioning onto carpets, keeping rugs dry while allowing uninterrupted cleaning throughout mixed floor homes. Maintenance is heavily automated thanks to an advanced docking station that washes mop pads using 149-degree hot water, reducing hands-on upkeep while keeping the system operating efficiently. Although the all-in-one station requires a dedicated space within the home, the powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and premium automation make the Mova P10 Pro Ultra a standout performer for busy households. Breaking into the top two, the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop takes the number 2 position thanks to its excellent combination of intelligent automation, strong cleaning performance, and user-friendly convenience. One of its standout capabilities is automatic carpet detection, which instantly boosts suction power to an impressive 6,000 PA whenever carpeted surfaces are detected, helping remove deeply embedded pet hair, allergens, and debris without requiring manual adjustments. Navigation is handled by a highly accurate 360-degree LiDAR mapping system capable of storing floor plans for up to 5 separate levels, making it an ideal solution for both apartments and larger multi-story homes. The efficient mapping process improves cleaning coverage while maximizing battery life by avoiding unnecessary overlap. Connectivity is another advantage, as the Tikom supports dual-band Wi-Fi compatibility, simplifying setup for many households. The included 90-day self-emptying station dramatically reduces maintenance by automatically managing dust collection between cleaning cycles, while users must manually remove the mop pads before cleaning carpeted areas to avoid moisture transfer. The combination of strong carpet performance, intelligent mapping, and long-term convenience makes the Tikom an outstanding choice for pet owners managing large homes and multiple shedding animals. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list, we have the Ecovacs Deebot T50 Max Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop, a premium cleaning system that delivers the highest level of suction power and automation featured in today's countdown. Equipped with a staggering 18,500 PA suction motor, it provides unmatched cleaning performance capable of extracting deeply embedded pet hair, dust, dander, and allergens from carpets and flooring surfaces that many competing robots simply cannot clean as effectively. To combat one of the biggest frustrations faced by pet owners, Ecovacs incorporates an advanced anti-tangle brush system engineered to minimize hair wrap and reduce maintenance requirements. The robot's intelligent mopping system automatically lifts its pads by an impressive 18 millimeters when carpet is detected, helping protect rugs while maintaining seamless cleaning transitions. AI-powered obstacle recognition enables precise navigation around pet toys, furniture, bowls, and household clutter, reducing interruptions and improving efficiency. The Omni docking station further enhances convenience with hot water mop washing and extensive hands-free maintenance features. While the station requires a permanent location with adequate space, the industry-leading suction, advanced intelligence, anti-tangle technology, and premium automation package make the Ecovacs Deebot T50 Max Pro Omni an elite solution for serious pet households. After comparing every robot vacuum and mop combo featured in today's countdown, one model consistently delivered the strongest balance of cleaning performance, automation, navigation, and pet-focused functionality. The winner is the DREAME L10s Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop. While every model on today's list excels in specific areas, the DREAME stands out by combining powerful 7,000 PA suction with a highly effective dual rotary scrubbing system capable of handling everything from pet hair and dander to dried paw prints and stubborn floor messes. Its intelligent obstacle recognition system allows it to navigate busy homes with confidence, while the hot water mop washing station significantly reduces the amount of maintenance required from the owner. More importantly, it solves the 2 challenges pet owners face most often: constant shedding and daily messes. The result is a cleaning experience that feels remarkably hands-free without sacrificing performance. That wraps up our countdown of the best robot vacuum and mop combos for pet hair. If one of these models sounds like the perfect fit for your home, you'll find all the product links waiting in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best robot vacuum isn't the one that cleans the most, it's the one that gives you back your time while keeping your home consistently clean.